Let's talk a minute about fire, a force of nature that's as old as time itself. When used in the proper setting, fire can be incredibly useful. But when it gets out of control, it can have some devastating effects. So how do we solve this age-old problem? Our solution is Kilburn's Fire Extinguisher Ball, or KFEB. The KFEB is a cutting-edge piece of technology that can be used to safely and effectively fight fires in a variety of situations. For instance, in the last 5 years alone, wildfires have consumed nearly 32 million acres in the US, which cost about $7.5 billion to suppress. That's an area bigger than Mississippi, costing roughly the annual GDP of Hawaii. In a traditional setting, emergency aircraft dump water or chemicals onto wildfires, but this method usually just cools the fire and fails to contain it quickly. The KFEB uses a much more controlled approach. When emergency workers on board the helicopter trigger a KFEB to drop, it becomes armed and engages a sensor to track its current altitude in real time. When it reaches a pre-programmed altitude, the bomb automatically detonates. This bombards the surrounding area with a special chemical mixture that not only extinguishes the fire immediately, but also fertilizes the ground to help plant life regrow. But fires don't only happen in forests. Industrial tank fires are equally dangerous and often carry additional chemical risks. In a scenario like this one, a KFEB can be suspended above the fire using a crane, and then dropped onto the fire in a similar fashion as before. Emergencies like these require fast action. That's why KFEBs are designed to be loaded onto metal racks that can be shipped by truck and cabled to helicopters for deployment to anywhere an emergency strikes. When the next natural or industrial fire starts, you'll want to be prepared with a solution that works. Kilburn's Fire Extinguisher Ball is ready for action. Are you? If you'd like to receive more information, please reach out to us on the web, by email, or over the phone.